sun rises behind her eyes, but she still can't see it. And she's beside me, I walk slowly. She feeds my soul all the gold I could need. This whole time I've been searching for the wrong thing. She's my captain, she's the sea. She's the sun on my back, baby, believe me. She's my captain, she's the sea. She's the sun on my back, baby, believe me. Believe me. Believe me. You found my heart in my mind, fighting for my bones. And I'll never have to brave the cold alone. She's the kind you only find in a story. I've never had anybody fight for me. She's my captain, she's the sea. She's the sun on my back, baby, believe me. She's my captain, she's the sea. She's the sun on my back, baby, believe me. Believe me. Believe me. She's got my soul. Believe me, I found my home. She's got my heart, she's got my soul. Believe me, I found my home. She's my captain, she's the sea. She's the sun on my back, babe, believe me. She's my captain, she's the sea. She's the sun on my back, babe, believe me. Believe me. Believe me. She's my captain, she's the sea. She's the sun on my back, she's everything. She's my captain, she's the sea. You're the sun on my back, babe, believe me. Believe me. Believe me. Believe me.
I can't put my arms up.
Now onto the most important part. My wife, my God. Ruth. The first time I met Ruth, I fell in love straight away. The longer we spent together, the more I fell in love. It got to the point where I thought, how can I love anyone more than this? Then she gave birth to our beautiful daughter, Tilly. I watched Ruth evolve into the most amazing, patient, calm, and caring mother for Tilly. This is when suddenly I realized, shit, how am I even more in love with Ruth now more than ever? Just when I think I've reached the peak of love for Ruth, she walks down the aisle today. I told you, I'll hold it back. Words cannot explain the feelings and love I have for you, Ruth, my darling. I will love you forever and ever. Ever. You're an angel sent from above, and I still pinch myself to this day to make sure it's not a dream. I told you I'm a mess. I did warn everyone. I love you so much, Ruth. I can't wait. I can do it, I can do it. I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together. To the moon. Thank you so much.